Reminder to get help if you need it and always take care of yourself. Glad to see more and more black men get the help they need and be open and honest about it. Mental health is really taboo in our communities for some reasons. Yeah, was taught to map up all the time. No emotions. Bottle that sit all the time. Show ducking unhealthy. And if you say you going to therapy, people in our community immediately assume you are crazy, insane, mental unstable. I was so happy just to get a therapist today. This kind of thinking really interesting me from a lot of my emotions. Yeah, I think part of it is how use the Christian faith and to a lesser extent the Muslim faith are in the community. A man is supposed to man up and pray it away. That does not really work in these modern times. Same here though I am Indian, not black. Mom would tell me to talk about what I felt sometimes, but like I would raise to keep your chin up and be a man, as if men are just robots. Going to a therapist really helped me. Have not a suicide thoughts is over 16 months so gay. Yeah, but I am glad more men are speaking up about it. I personally have had men in casual conversation tell me how they are searching for therapists and it's refreshing to even hear that they don't even look at it as a stigma or something to show private. It's the hyper-masculine approach to things. Men are supposed to be emotionless pillars for their family and can't be vulnerable ever. Just grit your teeth, suck it up and keep it inside until you die of high blood pressure related causes down the road. I really hope that is trend of seeing therapists and searching self-care and mental health care in the black community countries. It warms my heart to see the stigma being lifted. This is also very important. I also wish there were more therapists of color. Finding someone who does not invalidate the added stresses of being a minority is essential. My first therapist was not very black friendly. I feel very lucky that my older white therapist is walk as fuck. Shout out to my home girl. I need to find a therapist too. I realize I have been bottling shit up far away too long and I have a 1-year-old son. Definitely don't wanna unconsciously project any of that onto him. Well said, there is nothing to be unashamed for taking care of our mental health. Lot of us have problems sharing our weaker side. Therapy can be the answer. Man, the acknowledgement of understanding that you want better for the next generation is already a step in the right direction. Congratulations on your child and I hope you can bless them with the wisdom of the things you have learned through life and pass on your good qualities as a figure. You got this, bro. I am so happy that you found a therapist that matches your needs. Sorry you had to go a grabo on first thought. I am therapist of color but not black. Asian bio but I feel you. Fortunately, I am in South Florida, so there is a huge emphasis on cultural contingency. But even with that, some people are still fucking fast and considering those stresses up. Side rant, but therapy is shifting towards cultural awareness and evidence-based treatment. But be careful and do your research. There's still a bunch of poorly trained or poorly weighted out therapists out there. Even as a white European man, I fully synthesis. I always thought I should better up what I feel. Until I saw the school counselor after someone broke into my house with a knife. Same with Arab communities. When I was living in Palestine, mental illness was treated as something that needed to be overcome through sheer force of will or prayer. I had friends and family who refused to seek professional help out of fear that they had been good and you are broken. Fear that seeking professional help would devalue both themselves and their family's social standing.